Hello there! If you are watching this, probably you are looking to start learning how to program in Python. So let's install it and check if everything is okay and write the first line of code. After that, feel free to subscribe and check other Python and data science tutorials in the channel. Let's go! First of all, we can check if our computer already has the Python installed, and for that all you need to do is to open the command line and write Python version. And as I expected, I don't have the Python installed in this computer. So let's install it. You can go to Google and write down Python. Then you go to the python.org, and here you have the option here to download, and you also have here the latest version. At the time I'm recording this, the latest version is 3.9.7. So let's install it. You feel free to install the latest that is available to you. Once you are here, you can press in this button. And then you need to choose where to save your installer. I will save on downloads. And once the download is complete, you can open the installer. So here you have a fast way to install the Python with install now. This has a long path and I would like to change this to a more simpler one. So for that, I will select customize installation. But before installing, you might also want to check this box to add the Python to environment variables, which is recommended. Once here, you can have all these boxes checked. Also the pip, which is very useful to manage package. Then click on next. Here you may want to install for all users, which will automatically to precompile standard library. And here the customize install location is where I want to change the path. So I will open the browse and I will select this PC and then my drive. And here I will press OK, and now I will add a new folder with Python and another folder with the Python version, in this case 3.9. Now everything is ready to install. As a beginner, we don't need to download debugging symbols or debug binaries, so we can install right away. Now we need to press yes. And now it will install. Let me fast forward this to the next step. So now it is finished. Here we can disable the path length limit. You need to press yes again and then close. And now we can check again with the command line if we already have the Python installed. Let me put this here. And for that you write Python version. And here it is. Now I have installed the 3.9.7 and this pip is very important. We can also check if it was correctly installed, and for that you write pip version as well. And it is. Our pip version is 21.2.3. Now let's test Python inside the command line. For that you write Python to open the Python shell, and here it is. It starts with a Python version, and now we can write some code. For example, let's do a print. And here it is, our first line of Python. Now going further, checking if everything is alright, you can open your Windows. And here, recently added, you can see that you have the Python module docs, the idle, and also the Python 3.9. So for example, we can open this one and check again if everything is alright. So print and you can see that our code is running without any problem. And now we can also go to the Python shell and basically do the same. And here it is. Everything is working fine. We have Python installed in our Windows machine and you have everything set up to start learning Python. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like button and subscribe. Here in the channel, I'm sharing every week some tutorials about Python, machine learning, and also sharing my journey into data science. So I hope to see you around and cheers!